Okay, welcome guys. I'm doing another unboxing, isn't it, Jade? It's a gift that Jade got me. This time red carpet. This red carpet, I actually got it from the premiere of Batman vs Superman, I think last year. 2 years ago, from a pool. I keep caressing it. Anyway. So this one, red carpet. So here we have, what are we doing? We're doing this. What are we doing? Red carpet premiere of, what is it again? LED video lighting, LD160, whatever that means. Light door, high quality imported LED lighting wafers, long lifespan up to 50,000 hours. Really, highly efficient, power saving, low energy consumption, stable, blah, 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 blah. Automatic IT, blah, blah, blah. Control, whatever that means. Utilizes imported. Okay, large brightness range, low power consumption, aka it's a light for a camera, as you can see right there. So let's open it. It's outside. I think it needs batteries, but my girlfriend said it doesn't. You said it doesn't? Did you say it needs batteries? Did you say it doesn't need batteries? Jade? My girlfriend. Is my honey okay? There you go. White soft diffuser. Orange soft diffuser. Purple soft diffuser. Who? Is it? Who? Tell me. Jade, I'm doing unboxing. It's not Kerry, if that's what you think. Yeah? If you see this Kerry, it's not you. Not laughing at you. It's my girlfriend showing me someone from my church. And yeah, she's got ginger hair. That doesn't look like you. There you go, unboxing, there we go. So first we have this, which I believe is an adapter. Some sort. Doesn't really charge anything actually, not sure. Okay, and the big reveal on the red carpet. Let's put that to the side. There we go. Got the actual light for the camera. Now my girlfriend's actually kind of responsible and kind of the main primary person who's been given a lot of equipment to inspire Champion. So a lot of thanks to her. Thank you, baby. She's checking stuff in case right now. That's Tristan's mother. He doesn't look like that. Let me see.
Tristan's mom.
Yeah. So there we go. There's the light, guys. Put that over there. Just checking my Facebook. Typical girlfriend. Oh, that's Doreen. I met her through Jonathan. We're best friends. So there's the light, guys, for the camera. My friend, that's where the batteries go. I think actually it doesn't need battery. I think this is a charger. Is this just a charger? Jade? I think so. There you go. It's a light. You see? Jonathan. One of my best friends. Look at it. And there we have, I think this is the diffuser. Jade, look, it comes with this. Thank you. Look, honey. Look. Thank you. Here, guys. Using it on this light. Ta-da. It's a little diffuser. There you go. Yeah, because who, me? White soft diffuser, orange soft diffuser, purple soft diffuser. So what else do we have in here? Girlfriends keep saying who's that anyway. So, what do you mean? There's the purple diffuser, guys. Comes with this as well, quite cool. You want to see as well. There's the purple one. Jay, look, comes with the purple one, Jay. Look. CLC. Used to be in the same life group. Then when we pray together. Look, there you go. Purple diffuser, guys. It's quite cool. So, yeah, it's quite cool. I'm quite impressed by this. Good gift from my girlfriend. On Inspire Champion channel. There's the box. This is from eBay. It's on eBay, right? It's on eBay, right? From eBay, $17.99, right? $17.99. So all we have to do now, so I suppose, there you go. Let's see if it pops on the camera. I'll be back. Stay right there, guys. Stay right there.
Oh, she changes it now.
What do you mean?
Like when she has a picture of you and her on her.
Change it.
I haven't changed it.
What do you mean?
I still like. I don't like stuff.
Let me see.
We've had the pilots and places like that.
Anyway, guys, there's my camera. It's my Nikon. My mom gave me. She got it's the Nikon D5300 watt film on. quite small. So if you don't have that big hand, that much of a big hand like me, you get this camera. It's quite light and portable. Everyone's always saying, "Oh, where'd you get that camera from?" So small. There you go. Oh, is it? Oh, that's cool. Thank you, Julissa. So let's put the. I'm just getting nuts. I'm in trouble, guys. So there you go. There's a camera, LED light. Should go on as so. I believe so. There we go. There we go. I'm so proud of this occasion. Finally, Inspire Champion channel has a bloody light so you can film at night time for after. It's funny. So, and we've got the diffusers there, purple and yellow. And let's watch over there. Whoops. Let's put it there. There's yellow. Ooh. There's a purple one. Ooh. Yeah, I gotta say I'm impressed. Inspire Champion. It's very happy. There's the light. Not gonna bother turning it on now because it needs batteries. I ain't got batteries right now, but yeah, there it is. It works. Jade, look at it. Jade, honey, thank you. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, I ain't got batteries, but I'm saying thank you. Let's attach. Thank you. There she is, the one I got it. Anyway, I'm gonna say I'm happy with this. 7.5 out of 10. I'm gonna say 8 out of 10 actually, because it comes with the two things. What are these called anyway, Jade? Orange soft diffuser, yeah. It comes with the orange. Oh, that's not orange. The orange soft diffuser, white light as well, and purple. So I'm very happy with this, and I think there's a charger. So yeah, thanks for joining me, guys. Inspire Champion unboxing. It's a birthday unboxing special on the red carpet. It's actually the Batman vs Superman red carpet. Thanks for joining me. That's what I got. LD160 LED video lighting. I believe it was $17.99, right? Jed? $17.99? Yeah? $17.99 from eBay, guys. Quite good quality. And these batteries, of course. So, but yeah, quite good. Impressed. Very impressed. Anyway, I'll see you next time on Inspire Champion. Gearbox. It's called Gear Spot. Thank you for joining me on Gear Spot. Bye bye. Ciao. Oops. Okay, I'm back, guys, on the red carpet. Introducing the Thing as my model. There's my camera, there's my light you saw last time. The light that Jade got me, my girlfriend. LD160 LED video lighting. Managed to find some batteries I put in. There you go. That's so. Oops. Let's test that. Yeah. So I'm gonna put it right there. Let me just try and put this with one hand, of course, as you do. Okay, let's do this. One hand. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Right, it's on. There you go. It's on. So I think we got the. Let's take this out. Comes with a white soft diffuser, orange soft diffuser, and a purple soft diffuser. Okay, let's leave it there. So let's leave that on right now. Let's turn it on. Here you go. Oh. See how bright it can make the thing. There it is now. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. There you go, guys. It's quite good, the LED light. It's quite good, I think. And we add the white soft diffuser. Pop that in there. Pop it in there. Wait. Working. Yeah. Pop it in there as soft. There you go. It's the white soft diffuser, the first one. It's not bad. Whoops. Nearly broke it. I can't believe this. Let's turn it down. There you go. That's it diffuses the light a bit. Let's put the orange one. Let's try the orange one. Orange like the Thing. It's the orange diffuser. There you go, for those interesting tones of light. Yeah, interesting. Let's put the next one. That's the orange one. Quite cool. It's the white one. Let's put the purple one. My girlfriend's favourite colours. I'm gonna try that one. Let's pop that one. It's my model, the thing. Fantastic Four. That's the purple one. There you go. So I'm not sure if that's makes much of a difference, to be honest. That's off. That's the purple one. There you go. Anyway, I really appreciate this gift. I'm grateful for it. I'm really happy about it. Got my microphone, camera, light. Really happy. Got the diffuser with it. Overall, I'm gonna give this. Let me take this off. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I think. 8.5 out of 10. I think I'm very happy with this. The whole package deal. $17.99 on eBay, I believe. There we go. Thank you guys for joining me. Thanks to the thing. I'm gonna be signing out. Bye bye. Bye, thing.